How to delete Facebook Lite account permanently. So if you want to delete your Facebook Lite account permanently, then first you need to open up your Facebook Lite application. Once you open up your Facebook Lite, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with the settings and privacy. Under that, you need to go with the settings option. And under your settings, you need to go with the account center and go with the personal details. Under personal details, tap on account ownership and control and tap on deactivation or deletion and choose your Facebook account and tap on deactivate if you want to deactivate the account, or tap on delete if you want to delete the account. So simply tap on delete and then continue. And if you have any pages linked with your account, or if you've created any pages with your account, then those pages will also be deleted. So if you want to delete, tap on continue and then choose a reason why you would like to delete your account and tap on continue again and again continue. Scroll down and go with continue again. And this is the last step where you need to enter your password. So enter your password of your Facebook, and once you enter your password, your Facebook Lite account will be deleted permanently. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.